Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install HP Deskjet 4220E printer on a computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. Please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you just need to double click on that to start the installer. And make sure the printer is not connected to the computer. If it is asking for permission, so please click on yes. It is preparing the installer, so please wait for that. Please click on that Get HP Easy Start, or you can say continue with the current version, right? So please click on that. Click on continue. Click on yes. It is now searching for the printer, so please connect the printer's USB cable to the computer and make sure the printer is turned on. Click on continue. It says printer not found, so please connect the printer and after that click on continue. It will give you more option for specific option wireless. Do you want to connect wireless or USB? Select the USB one and click on continue. Now it is asking to connect the printer's USB cable to the computer directly and make sure the printer is turned on. Push the power button on your computer to get it ready. After that, this screen will detect your printer connection and then you will have to click on continue or finish. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer, right? So if you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.